There is a theorem, let K be an extension of field F, then the element small a belongs to K is algebraic over F if and only if Fa is a finite extension of F. इसका प्रूफ देखते हैं. सपोज Fa is a finite extension of F. The degree of Fa over F is finite, say small m. Now, since A belongs to Fa and so 1 belongs to Fa, which implies that 1 comma a square and so on a to the power m are all in Fa. Certainly linearly dependent, there exist scalars alpha naught, alpha 1 and so on alpha m, not all 0, such that alpha 0 plus alpha 1 a plus so on plus alpha m a to the power m is equal to 0. A satisfy the polynomials phi x is equal to alpha 0 plus alpha 1 x plus alpha m x to the power m. A is algebraic over F. Conversely, suppose that A belongs to K is algebraic over F, then A satisfy a polynomial Px is equal to alpha 0 plus alpha 1 x plus so on plus alpha x x to the power m, such that that is alpha I belongs to F. We may have supposed that A satisfy the polynomial of degree n but not polynomial of lower degree. A is algebraic of degree n. Then by a lemma, if A belongs to K of degree n over F, then Fa is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 plus A plus so on beta n minus 1 A n minus 1, such that beta 0, beta 1 and so on beta n minus 1 belongs to F. Clearly 1 comma a comma so on a to the power n minus 1 span over Fa. Then we shall prove that 1 comma a comma so on a n minus 1 are linearly independent. Suppose gamma 0 plus 1 plus gamma 1 a plus so on gamma n minus 1 a n minus 1 is equal to 0. A satisfy the polynomials gx is equal to gamma 0 plus gamma 1 x plus so on gamma n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1. A satisfy the polynomial of degree n minus 1. It is true only if gx is equal to 0. Gamma 0 plus gamma 1 x plus so on gamma n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 is equal to 0. Gamma 0 plus gamma 1 plus is equal to gamma 0 is equal to gamma 1 is equal to and so on gamma n minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 comma a n minus 1 are linearly independent. So 1 comma a comma so on a n minus 1 is basis for Fa, and then dimension Fa is equal to n. Fa such that the degree of Fa over F is equal to n, which is finite. Fa is finite extension of F. Now there is another theorem. If L is algebraic extension of K and K is a algebraic extension of F, then L is algebraic extension of F. इसका proof देखते हैं. Let small u belongs to L. Therefore L is algebraic extension of K. Then u is algebraic over K. You must satisfy the polynomials, say x to the power n plus sigma 1 x n minus 1 plus so on x n, where sigma 1, sigma 2 and sigma n are in K, but K is algebraic extension of F. Then sigma 1, sigma 2 and sigma n and so on sigma n are algebraic over F. By theorem, small a belongs to K, algebraic over F if and only if Fa is finite extension of F. M is equal to F sigma 1 sigma 2 so on sigma n is finite extension of F. The degree of M over F is finite. U is algebraic over M, then U satisfy the polynomials x to the power n plus sigma 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus so on sigma n, where sigma 1, sigma 2 and so on sigma n belongs to M. Mu is finite extension of M. The degree of Mn over M, the degree of Mu over F is equal to the degree of Mu over M and the degree of M over F. Now there is another theorem related to algebraic extension. Let K be extension of a field F and let A belongs to K be algebraic over F. Then prove that any two minimal monic polynomials for A over F are equal. Let x to the power n plus alpha 1, x n minus 1 plus so on alpha n, and x to the power n plus beta 1, x to the power n minus 1 plus so on beta n be two polynomial monic. Polynomial is for A over F. Then a to the power n plus alpha 1, a to the power n minus 1 plus so on alpha n is equal to 0 is equal to a to the power n plus beta 1, a n minus 1 plus so on plus beta n. A n plus alpha 1, a n minus 1 plus so on alpha n is equal to a n plus beta 1, a n minus 1 plus so on plus beta n. Alpha n से alpha n cancel हो गया. Now we can rewrite alpha 1 minus beta 1 is beta 1 bracket a n minus 1 plus alpha 2 minus beta 2 a n minus a to the power n minus 2 plus so on alpha n minus beta n is equal to 0. A satisfy the polynomial. Now qx is equal to alpha 1 minus beta 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus alpha 2 minus beta 2 x to the power n minus 2 plus so on alpha n minus beta n belonging to fx f over x. Qx must be the zero polynomial because minimal polynomial for a over f is of degree n, while qx alpha 1 minus beta 1 is equal to 0, alpha n minus beta n is equal to 0, alpha 1 is equal to beta 1, and so on alpha n is equal to beta n. So x to the power xn plus alpha 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus so on plus xn is equal to x to the power n plus beta 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus so on plus beta n.